Today, we got word a third vaccine could soon be authorized for emergency use. Drug maker Johnson & Johnson announced the results of its phase 3 clinical trials. Its vaccine is shown to be 72% effective here in the United States, 66% effective globally. It drops to 57% in South Africa, where a highly contagious variant is driving cases. But perhaps more importantly, the vaccine is 85% effective overall at preventing hospitalizations and deaths in all regions. Though less effective than Moderna and Pfizer, Dr. Fauci says it's still a strong vaccine.
Now, at first glance, that might not seem as good as 94, 95%, but the important part of the whole thing was that for advanced severe disease, it was quite effective.
Public health advocate Dr. Dina Gupta Ademulam says for her patients, it could be the difference between life and death.
They're worried about dying. So if they were to get the Johnson & Johnson vaccination, that means they have a potential to actually live and overcome COVID-19. They don't have to live in the fear that they've been living in.
Other advantages, it's a single dose and does not require special storage in extreme cold temperatures. The J&J trial has also been done in the climate of the current variants.
That's really, really important because we know that here in the United States, just in the past week, we're seeing more and more of these new strains coming up.
Dr. Fauci expects J&J will seek FDA approval in the coming weeks, and they will likely receive that emergency authorization. Experts encourage you not to turn down a vaccine based on which drug maker it comes from and to take what you can get. Also on the horizon, the Novavax vaccine, their trial findings to be released in the spring.
The supply of vaccination is extremely important. So the more options that we have available to the public, the more closer that we will be to getting more people vaccinated, the more likely we are to end this pandemic.
So to put things in perspective, the annual flu vaccine is typically 40 to 60% effective. So comparatively, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine already rises above that. We're live on the west side tonight outside the Javits Center. I'm Shirley Chan, Pix 11 News.